Hi everyone, today we'll be folding another animal as part of our farm origami series, and today we'll be folding a lonely sheepdog, which is so cute, and I don't know why it came up with the name, but yeah, we're gonna just go with the roll, and hopefully this will be easier than last time. Yeah. But yeah, to start off with, we will need a shawl base, which all you need to do is on the blank side of your origami paper, fold it in half diagonally. And this is our shawl base, very easy base. And we're going to open it back up again, and we will fold the top point here down towards the center. We can do it as evenly as possible. Actually, what will help is if we fold it in half diagonally again, even though it doesn't specify in the instructions, but this will be fine because then this will make it so much easier for us to fold it down the top corner here, like so. And then what we want to do is flip the model round to the colored side, and we're going to fold the two edges here towards the center crease. So fold starting with first side, I'm gonna match up that top. Awesome. And then the next thing we want to do is fold the entire model in half, like so. Squash it down. And then the next thing you want to do is raise the flap. That's right here. And to do that, just gonna grab this and just pull it out. I literally just from where we fold in half, just pull it out, flatten, like so. This is what we have next, and then we want to fold this in slightly. Like that. Fold it back out and flip it on itself. Cool, like so. And then that's just made the nose for a little doggy. And then next thing, what we want to do is fold this back part here. This big triangle back part, like all the way up to here, is what we're going to fold where my finger is the line. I'm going to fold it in on itself. So that point is going to meet this corner here at the front of the model. I'm going to fold it in and then squash down. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Cool. And then taking the front here diagonally from this point at the top till about here, we're going to fold it in on itself. So like so. Like that. And then we're just gonna fold this edge on the left here in onto this side in half basically. Cool, so we just folded this inside here, but we might need to fold this in further, just a little bit more. So what we're going to do is then reverse the fold to make our tail. So about this much should do. And then if we squash the folds again, and next thing is, yeah, like we mentioned, we are going to fold it back out. So we open this up, we're going to do a valley. Was it a valley or a mounted fold? But we're going to push this in and out on the other side and then squash down to make a tail for the dog. And yeah, this is pretty much it, and all you need to do is repeat on the other side. Cool, and then this is how it looks repeated on the other side. And our front, I decided to just draw because it's supposed to be a lonely sheepdog. I drew, like, you know, where you would usually have the eyes, some fur, like it's covering the eyes. And yeah, this is it as usual. I hope you all enjoyed this origami. Write a comment down below what you thought about it. Thumbs up this video so I know you enjoyed this type of content. Subscribe for more origami like this and other sorts of arts and craft videos I do on this channel. And yeah, thanks for watching everyone. I hope to see you next time. Bye. So besides being this week's origami being so much easier, they look deceptively simple, but they have more complex folds. From this to this, I still feel like there are missing steps. Like, thank the Lord. Like, look at the little sheepdog. Like, at first I couldn't see the dog in it because it was a bit difficult, like, you know, with the shape of it, and it's quite geometric, so it's hard to see. But like, yeah, you kind of see it after you fold it and make it yourself. And oh bless, how did the person come up with this origami?